The wait is over. Introducing the 2025 line of Punch speakers. This iconic line is back, featuring 3 all-new series, the P1, P2, and P3. Available in sizes ranging from 2.5 inches up to 6x9. The new Punch series has been redesigned and re-engineered from the ground up, built to fit and made to perform. Let's dive in and explore the lineup. P1, a 3-way coaxial system, perfect for anyone looking for a simple, clean upgrade. P2, our brand new convertible system. Super versatile, you can unlock the tweeter and mount it wherever you want, offering true flexibility. P3, the flagship line, a 3-way component system built for maximum performance. Now, let's talk about features. The new Punch series is all about fit. Our auto-fit architecture means redesigned frames, optimized mounting holes, and a removable motor cover. Installation is seamless. Drop them in using our factory location woofer rings, and they'll sit perfectly in most modern vehicles. And when it comes to performance, Punch delivers. With VAST 2.0 technology, you get a 25% increase in cone area, meaning more output, deeper bass, and a bigger, bolder sound. The True Sight tweeter keeps your highs crystal clear, delivering accurate, loud, and clean sound reproduction. Lastly, let's talk about durability. Every component is chosen for strength. Reinforced glass fiber baskets, Santoprene surrounds, Nomex spiders, engineered to handle the pressure and keep performing. The 2025 Punch lineup, fit for today's vehicles, engineered for tomorrow's performance. Built to perform, built to last.